Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson, and that is noun number. What is noun number? Look at these examples. We have one is tree, and the second is trees. Okay, both the meaning is the same, but some differences. Box and other is boxes. So, can you differentiate between these? We have now the exploration of these nouns. A noun that denotes a person or thing is said to be singular number, is said to be in singular number. Singular, what stands for singular? Singular noun or singular pronoun is one person or one thing is called singular. How? Example is boy, another example that is girl, pen, and etc. And we have another example, a noun that denotes more than one thing. More than one thing, keep remember. More than one person or more than one thing is said to be in plural number. In plural number, that is called plural noun or plural number. Examples are boys, girls, pens, etc. Okay, so keep remember we have two numbers of a noun. One is a singular number and the second is plural number. And thus we can conclude that there are two numbers in English and those are singular and plural. मुख्तसरन ये कि हमारे पास नाउन के दो नंबर होते हैं. अगर नंबर नाउन नंबर आपको पूछा जाए तो उसमें नाउन नंबर में हमारे पास दो होंगे, एक सिंगुलर होगा और एक प्लूरल हमारे पास होगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम इसका डीपली डिस्कस करेंगे कि सिंगुलर से हम प्लूरल कैसे बनाते हैं और उसकी फॉर्मेशन क्या क्या होती है, कौन कौन से रूल्स होते हैं जो सिंगुलर से हमें प्लूरल बना के दे देता है. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. कीप वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू in my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.